Hello traders, the title of the video is Fibonacci Trader investigates the price action using Andrews Pitchfork tool. The financial instrument that we are analyzing today is Walgreen or Boots Alliance Incorporated. The EPIC is WBA. Alright, so I'm going to apply Fibonacci retracement to the price action from here, somewhere in 1984, where you born that time, all the way to this point here. We apply Fibonacci retracement. If you look carefully on my chart, the retracement that we had, you can see deep a little bit below to touch the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. All right, because it's a psychological price level. The price was trying to retest the 50% level, but on average, the retracement that we have here is 38.2% level. The only time the price tried to touch the next level is only here. But you see here it touched the 38.2% level, did touch it here, and also here and here. So we give it to what? 38.2% level. Alright. So at that point in time, when we are seeing that, you can see it's forming, okay, in fact, people may say here, an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. Some traders may say that here, a slanted inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. Is that correct? All right. And they keep doing that, finding the support there. And you can see the surge in trading volume in that zone. All right. So stocks, financial instrument that find support at 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. After a strong bullish move, this is very important condition. After a strong bullish move, those financial instruments, okay, are usually very bullish. Very bullish. Now the challenge for traders is how to enter the trade. So you see here there were all kind of blah 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 here. As I say to traders, just draw the trend line. Touch it. Third time is what? Is mine. Don't take it. This is my line share. Alright. Common settle is kaput. Implement a top-down trade method to trading. But the exercise that we are doing today is to use the Pitchfork tool to investigate, alright, the price action as a Fibonacci trader. So because the prior retracement was 38.2% level, as a Fibonacci trader, we do not want to forget that. And trading algorithms are recording information. They say this stock did find support at 38.2% level. I was tweeting today about Fibonacci traders, and I was saying to traders on Twitter at George Trio. So if you are looking for my handle on Twitter, is at George Trio. I was telling traders that the Fibonacci traders are the elephants of the stock market, and they always leave their footprints all over the place. You look at any chart, you will see the footprint of those Fibonacci traders, because they are like the elephant in the jungle of the financial market, all over the place. So now, because this stock at the first time it went, now we have this trending fast, and then it pulled back to 38.2% level, we cannot ignore that. We can afford to forget that. So because 38.2% price going up, so today we ask me, according to the Fibonacci trading theory, the first target that is coming to the mind of those Fibonacci traders is what? 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. In theory, haven't I told you that the Fibonacci traders are like an elephant, and they are leaving their footprint all over the place? Here they are again. They took profit here. Can you see that? They are like elephants. You can't miss them. All right. This is Fibonacci traders. All right. So that's in theory, that's the target. The price may not reach the target. It can turn around at 138.2% level, which we discussed before. And as you can see, after pulling back to retest the moving average 20, this moving average 20 in blue there. All right. It got up again and continue to go up. So it doesn't mean that when reaching the target, we're going to have a reversal, like stochastic is overbought, the price will change direction. That is not like that. Overbought does not mean that, all right. end of the trend. Price reaching the target does not mean that the price cannot break above the target one more time and find a support. And he did exactly. He did break above that target. Yes or no? Did he retest it? Yes or no? Did I say that the price doing that all the time? Yes. He breaks above and retest it. Here, trader did implement a top-down trading method. You see the long candlestick bar? Breakable retest at the key level, which level? 161.8% level after he found a support because there were buyers along that rising moving average 20. Here again, they bought it again. People say to me, moving averages. Yes. This is what professionals are using. They are buying along the moving average 20 here. All right. So price went up to 214% Fibonacci extension level. So you may say, Joe, you say that the target is 161.8% level. That's the first target. Price can continue to go up more, can even go to 314% level after pulling back to 38.2% level. So there is no limit to where the price can go. But theoretically speaking, as a Fibonacci trader, people will say 161.8% level. It may not reach the target. It may reach it. It may even go beyond the target. So don't forget what we are trying to do. We are trying to investigate a price action using a Pitchfork tool. So you are wondering, George, where is that Pitchfork tool? And I'll say to you, please wait for a second. Wait for a second. Chill out, okay? All right. This to make you laugh a bit. So as because we recorded, we noted now that it was 38.2% level, that this stock is very bullish. We will think that after this bullish move all the way up here, by the way, let's check something very fast for the purpose of this video. So you may see whether Fibonacci traders did leave again. Okay, their footprint here. Or let's see, let's investigate this one. Look at this one. So price goes up from here, okay? It reaches the target, yes or no? This is what they were expecting. Once it's 1.8%. You remember that line that I drew there? So that it went up there. Look, as the price was pulling back near the moving average 20, where did it stop? Which level? For this move, I'm talking about this one. From here to here, yes or no? After completing that bullish move, where did he pull back? 38.2% level. Do you need glasses? Here it is, 38.2% level. That's what I'm trying to say to you, that Fibonacci traders are leaving their footprint. This is Fibonacci traders buying again here. Why? Because of what has happened before. They say, oh, this stock is very bullish. It's changed around 38.2% level. Can you believe it? It's a very strong bullish stock. And you push it to the target level, it's coming down to 38.2%. People look back. They look into the past to predict the future. They say, all right, it worked before at 38.2%. They're all watching the 38.2% of this move from here to here. All right. But after that, okay, now let's see whether the Fibonacci traders leave again their footprint again. So remember this, price pulled back to 38.2% level of the move from here to here. Where will those Fibonacci traders are buying here will set their target? They will set it again at where? 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the move from here to here. Will the price definitely will reach the target? Maybe. It may not. It may go beyond it. All right. So we're going to investigate what we are doing, those Fibonacci traders. Now I'm going to apply Fibonacci extension. By the way, if you are a new trader, you will say, what is Fibonacci extension, Joe? What is Fibonacci retracement? I'll say to you, my friend, don't worry. Go to www.dayprotraders.com, check out Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci retracement. There are many web pages about Fibonacci trading on that website, all right? So now, they bought it at 38.2% level. Where will they set the target? They will set their target at 161.8% level. But the price did not reach the target this time. It stopped between the 138 and the 161, near the 150. So don't be surprised. All right. We are going to place a Pitchfork tool on our chart very shortly. Don't worry. Because I want you to understand everything. Okay? I want you to understand everything. So now we see now. So price went now from here to here. It pulled back to 38.2% level. As it did before from here to here. It pulled back to 38.2% level many times. So now, if we take into consideration, are you with me? the move from here. Okay, from here all the way up here. As the price coming down, where will people be watching? Fibonacci trader will be watching. Are you getting it? 138.2% retracement. That's what they will be thinking of, yes or no? Anytime we completed one more change direction, they are watching what? 138.2% level because of the past. And where did he find support for the first time, my friend? Did I say to you that the Fibonacci trader are like an elephant? They leave their footprint all over the place. This is them. See that tail touching the 38.2% level of the move from here to here. And again, are you getting it, my friend? Yeah, again. All right. So why the price did not find support here anymore? There are other factors, fundamental factors, market itself. So this is a very strange stock. All right. So the first move, all right, we say, all right, put by 38.2% level. Now he went up and he's going, he's going deeper. All right. Is it because of the alternance between the second and the fourth wave? All right. This is not about Elliott wave. This is about Fibonacci. All right. Okay. Swift and deep. Is swift. The second wave is deep in the fourth wave. It's deep in the fourth wave. It's swift. The second wave. All right, if you want to know more about Elliott wave trading, you can join us at the 24 Elliott Waves YouTube channel. So now price went a little bit more. What's going on? Now they are trying to retest this Apollo. So in order to investigate what is going on now, why the price did not find support here, all right, what is going on here, we're going to start using Pitchfork tool. Yeah, George, finally. I was waiting for that Pitchfork tool. So here we are. We put it right there, okay? So we need a 3 point, so I'm putting all the way to the starting point, which I don't usually do sometimes. And we select 2 more points, price goes out from A to B, and then pull back to point C without retracing the prior trend. We have 3 points. With those 3 points, we can draw our Andrews Pitchfork tool. For traders that are very new, you want to know more about Andrews Pitchfork tool, go to www.dprotraders.com and check out the webpage that we titled Andrews Pitchfork tool. So here we have our Pitchfork tool. Color it now in a beautiful green color for you guys. Here we are, very beautiful. So now you see now we place the Pitchfork tool on the chart, you can see that the first 38.2% level was here. Price pierced through the Pitchfork tool. Because this is what the Fibonacci, that's why I said to you, they are elephant. They want it. The Fibonacci trader, they are a bit aggressive and they are pushing it a little bit, and they are like elephant. Like the elephant cannot hide. And this is what's going on now. Price could find a support on the edge of the Pitchfork tool, but they say no, 38.2% level, my friend. Here they say, oh yes, 38.2% level. This is a very good point because we have a prior, as you see when I was talking about this move from here to here, all right? And the 38.2%, that move was here. But you can see that there was intersection of that 38.2% level and the median line of this Pitchfork tool. So we had at that point in time also a hot spot trading zone. All right. So price now breaks below the Pitchfork tool. Look where it come to where. So where are the hot spot trading zone? There's one here. Can you see that? Intersection. Can you see that? That's a hot spot, a trading zone. All right. And now there's another one. Can you see one? Intersection of the Pitchfork tool and the normal horizontal. You see here, this key level where the price did for the support, a hot spot trading zone. So the zone, we can extend it like this, horizontal. You see, you see, all the zone. All right. And also, if you draw, for instance, the median line of the lower half of the Pitchfork tool, something like that, we may argue that the price was seeking the median line of the lower half of the Pitchfork tool. Are you getting it now? So it becomes clear to us, apart from you have to understand that the Fibonacci traders are also using Pitchfork tool to help them to pinpoint hot spot trading zone. So now that the price now he couldn't find support for a long time at 38.2% level, they must now rely on other tools. All right. So the next level below the 38.2% level that the Fibonacci traders are watching is what? 50% below that, you see. So the final support here, it went down. So if it did below the 38.2% level, Fibonacci traders will be waiting at 50% level. You see 50%? Didn't I told you that the Fibonacci traders are like an elephant? Did they buy here? Yes, they did. Were they here? Yes, they were here. Now, what you need to do, you can combine the Fibonacci key level and the Pitchfork tool to investigate what is going through their mind. Even if you draw again a median line of the upper half of that Pitchfork tool, something like that. Something like that. You can see that the price came down, retested at this point, bounced up, you see. Then crashed down. Okay. See, on the monthly chart, you see how this candlestick bar did acknowledge that median line of the upper half of the Pitchfork tool right there. But I have not finished yet. I'll be finishing very shortly, so this video will be like 20 minutes, all right? Or even more. Should we make it 1 hour? Oh, okay. Just teasing you guys to see your reaction. Okay. All right. So that's one Pitchfork tool there to investigate what is going on right here. There is another way we can place our Pitchfork tool, which is this. So the first one, we see what has happened. Now we have it now. So you may say 3 points, George. Where are they? First one. Second one. And the third one right there. Okay, good. Happy? Everybody is happy, yes. So where are the hot spot trading zone? My friend? Yeah, we can say that. The zone, this you remember that's 161.8% target zone after this 38.2% retracement. The intersection right there with that Pitchfork tool. Another one there. We can keep drawing the horizontal line, or at this line, for instance, we can extend all these resistance. So we can say that there is another one here. But you don't want to forget also the median line of the Pitchfork tool, yes or no? The upper half of this Pitchfork tool. See? So here, come down. That's why I recommend to try a different Pitchfork tool. You can see here it touches the median line of the upper half of this Pitchfork tool. And also we got what? The intersection corresponding to a hot spot trading zone. All right. If, for instance, we start going to the mode, the style, yes, the style, or the fashion of market geometry by measuring the width of that new Pitchfork tool. Is it brand new? Yes, it's brand new Pitchfork tool. Making sure the line that we are doing is parallel . Okay, let's see. All right. Something like that. Bear with me. Roughly, okay? Roughly is parallel. Yeah, okay. So we project that Pitchfork tool in the direction of the price. We can investigate more. And now we have a new channel on top here, projection of the Pitchfork tool in the direction of the price to investigate. So we have, you see, from here to here, we have a Pitchfork tool, the projection of a channel Now, one more time, if you allow me to draw on my own chart, you may say, George, it's messy. And I say, it's my own chart. Can't I draw on my own chart for the first time in my life? Okay, so here we are. So we can draw on our own chart, yes? We put the media line of that lower half of our projecting channel. We color it now into pink. You see that? That's the media line of the lower half of that channel. And that's for the price now. So now everything is becoming clear. So as a Fibonacci trader, you want to use also the Pitchfork tool, and sometimes it will help you to pinpoint hotspot trading zone and to investigate what's going on in the financial market. Because when a Fibonacci trader get lost, so they were working with 38.2% level, you see before, and they were setting their target at 161.8% level. When they get into trouble, they now refer to the Pitchfork tool to investigate what is happening so they may not lose. All right. So have you seen it now? So watch the video in full. All right. If you have any question, put in the comment section. As always, practice until you master it. All right. And that will help you, all right, to improve your Fibonacci and Pitchfork tool trading. Okay. So if this video has been truly useful to you, please do not lie to us. Is it good for you? If yes, log into your YouTube account, give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to do that, please. You think that, George, well, this is another poor performance, useless video. All right, don't forget, come back and mark it down. You think this is an essential tutorial that can help other Fibonacci traders that are struggling out there? Feel free to share with your friend, all right, on Tumblr, Google+, Twitter, or Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, feel free to subscribe to our channel. For those of you that are on Facebook, our channel is The Pro Traders YouTube channel, okay? So subscribe today and be sure to click on the notification bell, because when we are live streaming video, Google will notify you so you know what time the live streaming will begin. So it's now very important to make sure you click on the notification bell. Sometimes I'm very busy, so I'm recording video. You may receive a lot of notification. You just say, oh, George, I don't have time to watch your video now. Ha, 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 ha. You don't have to. You just know that, okay, it's going on, but you don't have time. So don't think that too many notifications. Sometimes you may receive 2 or 3 in one day, but don't worry too much about it. That's what I want to say to you, all right? So this will conclude our discussion today about the Fibonacci trader investigates the price action using Andrews Pitchfork tool. For those of you who do not know our Facebook page is stochastic-MACD, because sometimes I'm posting first on Facebook, sometimes I'm posting first on YouTube. So there is a live streaming going on right now on Facebook as I'm recording this video today. On the 27th of October at 17:20, that live streaming is starting now on Facebook. So you want to know our Facebook page, stochastic-MACD.com. All right. Also live streaming on YouTube. Okay, The Pro Traders YouTube channel. All right. Okay. Our website is www.theprotraders.com. For those of you who are interested in high probability trading setup. In fact, every trader should be interested in high probability trading setup. I'll put the link in the description section for you about a trading software that I am recommending to trade. That trading software allows traders to pinpoint high probability trading setup. Without a high probability trading setup, there is no winning trade. That trading software, check it out in the description section. It's about trade idea. All right. Description section, please. Thank you for watching. And I will speak to you soon. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about Fibonacci trader investigates the price action using Andrew Pitchfork tool. Joe, you did say that you're going to keep it short 20 minutes. It's now 24 minutes. You must apologize. Oh, please accept my apologies. Thank you for watching.